Hello, welcome to Techno World. Okay, this is Samdani. Today I'm going to show you NESCAFE Dolce Gusto coffee machine. So guys, don't go to anywhere as I'm gonna show you the unboxing as well later. NESCAFE Dolce Gusto by Krups Gusto Mini Me Automatic Play and Select Coffee Capsule Machine. Gray black KP123B40. This material plastic, brand Krups, color gray black, capacity 0.8 liter, human interface, input unknown. High pressure system, up to 15 bars of pressure to deliver velvety crema on black coffee cups and for the foam. Multi-beverages, wide range of beverages, espresso, lungo, latte, macchiato, cappuccino, chocolate and teas. The smart capsule adjusts the machine's high pressure to get the best out of each beverage. Every capsule is individually sealed to protect the fresh coffee and preserve every drop of flavor. You can customize the size of your cup to get your coffee exactly the way you like it, or if you want it as easy as possible, just follow the preparation suggestion on the capsule. Now come to the unboxing. I just opened the box and just the lid. I can see the leaflets on the top of the box. There are some guides. And the installation guides as well. It's an easy guide you can follow, just step by step. It says get me started. Now come to the box. At the top of it I can see the base. This is the base for the cups. Let's take the box open. It's nicely wrapped. Let me carefully take it off. I can see the red cable with it. It's a cute shape. I like it very much. It's a nice and strong cable. Quite long as well. Let's take the wrap off. Oh, here we go. I bought some pots, as you can see, 3 pots, 3 flavor of them. You can buy that as well. Going through the link description box, from my description box, where you can click and you can browse and you can buy anything. Now you can see the NESCAFE Dolce Gusto logo and the nice shape of it. I can see the label for the bases, where I can fix for the smaller cups. I might get the bigger cups as well, just placing them according to the cup size. It gives you the flavor of shop coffee. You don't need to go out, just sitting at home, you can get the same flavor whenever you want. This is the tray you need to set up. To press the lever and set up the cup size with this bar. This is the power button. This is called our hot lever. You can choose the heat. You can have it cold or you can have it hot as well. Depends on your taste. So basically this is the final look. If you like my channel, please subscribe it. And you can go to my description box below where there is a link. You can click it and you can browse, you can buy it, you can visit, you can buy whatever you like browsing through there. And please give me a subscription. Thank you for watching. Bye now. Take care.